Good morning, children.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. How are you?
Fine,
Fine,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
How are you,
How
ma'am?
are you, ma'am?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing well. Thank you.
You're
Okay.
welcome, ma'am.
So, today, shall we move on to a new chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The title of our story is The Blue Light. The Blue Light, written by Vaikim Muhammad Bashir.
Muhammad Bashir.
Yes. Have you heard about Muhammad Bashir? Vaikim Muhammad Bashir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you
Yes,
learned
ma'am.
any stories about him?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Last year you have learned. Huh?
The goat of Fatuma.
Patumirad. Goat of Patuma. Huh? All right. Okay. So, as you have learned about Vaikam Muhammad Bashir in the last year, I think that was in Malayalam, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me about him? Let me see whether you remember anything. Who will start? Hmm? Ananya? Ananya? Tell me about Bashir. Do not open your textbook now. In the textbook, you will find a bit of information about the author. Let me check your memory. Anyway, the author is not so new to you. You have learned one of his short stories, Patumirad.
He's a good writer.
Louder, louder.
Ma'am, he's a good writer.
He is a writer. Okay, agreed. Writers are good at presenting short stories, novels, and all. Okay. Then,
മാം പാത്തുമ്മയുടെ ആർട്ട് സ്റ്റോറീസ് ലൈക്ക് വിശേഷപ്പെടുന്നത് പെണ്ണുങ്ങളുടെ ബുദ്ധി. Is that something?
okay, I'm just asking you about the author. Okay. Anyway, good. Altina, come on, quickly, everyone contribute 1 point each about Bashir.
was a freedom fighter.
Okay, he was a freedom fighter. Agreed. Devika?
Ma'am, he have other name also.
Yes, Altina is saying something. Say it loudly.
Ma'am, he have one other name also.
He has another name. What is another name?
Not get. Malappuram Sultan.
No, it's not Malappuram Sultan. Okay, Devika? Emil?
Ma'am, I got ma'am.
Hmm.
Sultan.
Yes, very good. Bepur Sultan. He was popularly known as Bepur Sultan. What else? We have forgotten about Bashir completely.
Ma'am, he writes stories in his experience.
Yes, he writes stories from his experience. All right.
Ma'am, he was good at writing. From his experience, he wrote stories in a comic.
Smriti, you are not that audible.
Ma'am, he is
Ah,
a novelist from Kerala.
yes, he is a novelist and a writer from Kerala. Malayali writer. Okay.
Ma'am, he got
Ma'am, he is born in 19...
And one at a time. Okay, Atul.
He is born in 1908.
Okay, that also you remember. The year, the date, the month. Usually I don't remember.
Ma'am, he born in
Yes, he was born in Vaikam. Where is Vaikam? Kozhikode. Kozhikode? Vaikam is in Kozhikode?
No, ma'am, Kottayam.
Kottayam, yes. Vaikam is in Kottayam district.
Ma'am, he got Padma Shri.
Yes, he has received Padma Shri. Okay. Anything else to be said about Bashir? Okay, so I think I have to brush up your memory. Yes.
Ma'am, he got Padma Shri in 1982.
Okay.
Ma'am, he was successful.
They're in the textbook, right?
He was a successful writer.
Ma'am, his many novels were in films. As films.
Some of his works have been converted into movies. All right. So take a quick information about Bashir. Okay. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down Vaikim Muhammad Bashir. Who will give me the full name of Bashir? Vaikim is the name of a place. That is not his actual name. Huh? The actual name given to the author by his parents was a bit different. That is Abdul Rahman Muhammad Bashir. This is his full name. Abdul Rahman Muhammad Bashir. After becoming a writer, he was known as Vaikim Muhammad Bashir. Vaikim is a place in Kottayam district. Can you give me the names of other famous personalities who has associated their name with the place, their own place? Will you able to? Will you be able to give the names of the famous personalities who have associated their name with their place name?
Shivashankarapilla, Tagal Shivashankarapilla. And Adur Gopalakrishnan.
Yes, Adur Gopalakrishnan. Very good. What about others? Any film actors you know who have associated their name with the place name? The very place where our school is situated. There is one film actor. Yes, Mala Aravindan. Then Mala is in Trishur, we know that. Okay, then.
Ma'am, Pinarayi Vijayan.
Yes, Pinarayi Vijayan. Very good. Then, Siraj Venyaramud. Venyaramud is in Trivandrum. Okay, so there are people who associate their name with a place name. So that is how Bashir also got his name, Vaikim Muhammad Bashir. His actual name is Abdul Rahman Muhammad Bashir. He was born on 21st January 1908 in Talayola Paramba. That is the exact place. Talayola Paramba. Okay. Talayola Paramba in Vaikim. That is in Kottayam district. Okay. Then he was popularly known as Bepur Sultan. Popularly known as Bepur Sultan. That you should not forget. Okay. Shall I change the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, next point. His occupation. He was a writer, humanist, freedom fighter, novelist and short story writer. Okay. He was a freedom fighter, humanist, novelist, and short story writer. Freedom fighter. Or you can say that he is an Indian independence activist. Novelist, short story writer, etc. He has written essays and memoirs also. And the language, he is a Malayali writer. He has written all of his works in Malayalam. And nationality, of course, you know that. He is an Indian. And notable awards. He has received many awards for his works. The government of India awarded him the 4th highest civilian honor of the Padma Shri. Padma Shri award in 1982. 1982. Then he has received many other awards like Kerala Sahitya Academy Award. Many other Kerala Sahitya Academy Award. Then Kerala Sahitya Fellowship, Sahitya Academy Fellowship, everything in 1970. So in the year 1970 itself, he received 3 awards, that is Sahitya Academy Fellowship Award, Kerala Sahitya Academy Fellowship, then Kerala Sahitya Academy Award. And then in 1989, he received Kerala State Film Award for Best Story. Kerala State Film Award. Kerala State Film Award for the best story. In the year 1989. Then his other awards includes Lalitambika Andarjanam Award in 1992, Muttattavarki Award in 1993, and Vallathol Award in 1993 itself. Okay? Shall I change the screen?
Yes. Ma'am, 1 minute.
So notable, oh sorry, I think I made an error here. Just a minute. This is notable awards, okay? Notable awards. Notable awards includes Padma Shri in 1982, Kerala Sahitya Academy Award in 1970, Kerala State Film Award for the Best Story in 1989, and then Vallathol Award. Vallathol Award in the year 1993. Muttattavarki Award in 1993, same year.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, can you show the other things you wrote? I couldn't write it down because of connection problem.
Awards? About awards?
Yes, ma'am.
Sahitya Academy Award, Kerala Sahitya Academy Award in 1970. Kerala Sahitya Academy Award in 1970. Padma Shri in 1982. Kerala State Film Award for the Best Story in 1989. And Muttathu Varki Award he received in the same year, that is 1993.
Ma'am, it was the one with Vallathol Award.
Vallathol Award also in 1993, same year. Okay, in 1993 he received 2 awards, Vallathol Award and Muttathu Varki Award.
Ma'am, the previous one before Vallathol Award.
Yes, Smriti? I will read it for you once again. Waikem Muhammad Bashir's actual name is Abdul Rahman Muhammad Bashir. Okay? He was born on 21st January 1908 in Parambu in Waikem, that is in Kottayam district. He was popularly known as Bepur Sultan. His language, he writes mainly in Malayalam. And his nationality is Indian. And his occupation, he is a writer, a short story writer, novelist, a freedom fighter or an Indian independence activist. Then, notable awards that he has received. First one is, I told you, in 1970 he received 3 awards. Okay, in 1970 he received 3 awards. That is Sahitya Academy Fellowship, Kerala Sahitya Academy Fellowship and Kerala Sahitya Academy Award. These 3 are different awards that he received in the year 1970. Then he received Padma Shri in 1982. Then the next award, Kerala State Film Award for the best story in 1989. Then Lalitambika Andarjana Award in 1992. And in 1993, he received Muttathu Varki Award and Vallathol Award. Okay? Is it clear now? Okay, can you tell me what are the peculiarities of his works? You have already learned one beautiful story by him. So, have you...
Mostly comedy.
Humor sense.
Humor sense.
The story contains comical elements. Then,
And he writes it from his own experience.
yes, he writes mainly from his own experience. Okay?
Ma'am, in his stories, his own family members or his own neighbors are the characters.
Okay, family members and neighbors are his characters in his story. All right. So, note down some of the peculiarities of his works. Peculiarities of Bashir's works. Wit, humor, and suspense. Okay, so these are the peculiarities of Bashir's work: wit, humor, and suspense. What do you mean by wit?
Ma'am, brave.
Clever.
Wit means what? In the olden times, that is during Shakespeare's time, wit means intelligence or brilliance. Okay, but nowadays the word has another meaning, which means comedy. So Bashir's works, when we read through Bashir's works, it makes the story or the dialogues in this particular story makes us think. Okay, so that is what here it refers to, wit. So the peculiarities of his works are wit, humor, and suspense. Okay, now do you remember the names of his works, titles? Other than Pathumaidadu, he has written many number of short stories. Huh?
Ma'am, one of his autobiography.
Ma'am,
Madilugal, then
Ma'am, ഓർമ്മയുടെ അറകൾ something.
Francis, you are not audible for me.
Ma'am, ഭൂമിയുടെ അവകാശികൾ.
ഭൂമിയുടെ അവകാശികൾ. Then, yes, Vrisa?
എന്റെ പാപ്പത്തിലാണ്
നിന്റെ ഉപ്പാക്ക് ഒരു ആന ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. His writing style is a bit difficult. It's not pure Malayalam. Okay? Usually we say that എന്റെ ഉപ്പുപ്പാക്ക് ഒരു ആന ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. That is the original Malayalam. But he says it in a different way. എന്റെ ഉപ്പുപ്പാക്ക് ഒരു ആന ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Yes. Okay. So let's go into let's watch some of the portraits of Bashir. Yes. Waikem Muhammad Bashir. Yes. Some of the portraits. This is a stamp. Yes. A stamp which was published in the year 2009. A 5 rupee stamp, Indian stamp with Bashir's portrait. Okay. He's a humanist, freedom fighter, novelist. Biodata. We have already gone through this. Okay. Born on January 21st, 1908, Thaliyalaparambu Vaikem. He died in July 5th, 1994 at the age of 86, Bepur in Kozhikode. Then occupation, novelist, short story writer, language Malayalam, nationality Indian, and notable awards, Padma Shri Award and Sahitya Akademi Award. Okay, early life of Bashir. Bashir was born in the village of Thaliyalaparambu in northern Travancore. After beginning his education at the local Malayalam medium school, he was sent to the English medium school in Vaikem, 5 miles away. While at school, he fell under the spell of Mahatma Gandhi. When Gandhi came to Vaikem to participate in the Vaikem Satyagraham, Bashir went to see him. After his meeting with Gandhi, he used to visit Gandhi's Satyagraha Ashramam at Vaikem daily. So this is how he got in connection with the Indian independence. Yes. Can you guess who is this?
His wife.
Yes, his wife. Wife of Bashir. Her name is Fatima Bashir or Fabi Bashir. Fabi Bashir. Then some of the works by Bashir. Premalekhanam, Baligalasagi, Shabdangal, Indu Babakar Anandarnu, Maranathinte Nizhal, Muchittu Kalikarinte Magal. Yes? സ്ഥലത്തെ പ്രധാന ദിവ്യൻ, ആനവാരിയും പൊൻകുരിശും, ജീവിത നിഴൽപ്പാടുകൾ, പാത്തുമ്മയുടെ ആട്, മതിലുകൾ, മാന്ത്രിക പൂച്ച, and so on. These are some of the cover pages of Bashir's works, Baligala Sagi. Then പാത്തുമ്മയുടെ ആട്. മതിലുകൾ, ശബ്ദങ്ങൾ, ജന്മദിനം. Yes, this is a story that we are going to learn. The Blue Light. Can anyone tell me what is the real or actual title of the story? Bashir writes in Malayalam. So, Blue Light is a translated work of him. Very good, very good. Neela Velicham. Okay, so that is the actual title of her story. Neela Velicham. Okay, so some of the beautiful quotes by Waikem Muhammad Bashir. Who will read it? Yes, read. Just give me the name, then. Okay, Ananya, read. Louder, Ananya, I can't hear you.
എന്റെ എഴുത്തുകൾ വായിച്ച് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ചിരിച്ചത് ഞാനായിരിക്കും. ഞാനായിരിക്കും കാരണം അതൊക്കെയും എന്റെ അനുഭവങ്ങളായിരുന്നു.
യെസ്, എന്റെ എഴുത്തുകൾ വായിച്ച് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ചിരിച്ചത് ഞാനായിരിക്കും, കരഞ്ഞതും ഞാനായിരിക്കും, കാരണം അതൊക്കെയും എന്റെ അനുഭവങ്ങളായിരുന്നു. So that's it. The writers write from their own experiences. എഴുത്തുകൾ means it's not the letters but his works. Okay, it can be either a short story or a novel. When we listen to people's experience, we become more interested to hear that. Am I right? Yes. So some of the writers have the peculiarity that they write from their experience. They try to connect the characters in the story with the people to whom they are close with. As Smriti told, his characters in his novels or in his short stories are maybe his family members or his cousins or somebody with whom he is so familiar with. Okay, so that is why when we read his stories, we also are able to familiarize it. Next quote. Devika, read. This is literature class, but still I did not want to give a translated quotes by Vaikam, so that I took exactly the Malayalam quotes. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see it properly.
Not able to see?
Ma'am, it's zoom it like expand.
Do you want me to zoom or zoom in? Zoom out or zoom in?
Ma'am, can you zoom in?
Can read.
Now it is okay? Okay.
ദൈവത്തിന്റെ ഈ
ദൈവത്തിന്റെ ഈ ഭൂഗോളത്തിലെ
പ്രതിസന്ധികളാ
No, not പ്രതിസന്ധികൾ, പ്രതിനിധികൾ. Maybe it's not clear for Devika. Okay, Smriti, read. Somebody who can see the board clearly, read.
ദൈവത്തിന്റെ ഈ ഭൂഗോളത്തിലെ പ്രതിനിധിയാകുന്നു മനുഷ്യർ. നശിക്കുക, മനസ്സും ശരീരവും ശുദ്ധമാക്കി വയ്ക്കുക, ആരോഗ്യം സൂക്ഷിക്കുക, ഈ ലോകം കുറെ കൂടി സുന്ദരമാക്കുക, ഓർക്കുക, അനന്തമായ പ്രാർത്ഥനയാകുന്നു ജീവിതം.
ദൈവത്തിന്റെ ഈ ഭൂഗോളത്തിലെ പ്രതിനിധികളാകുന്നു മനുഷ്യർ. നന്മ ചെയ്യുക, മനസ്സും ശരീരവും ശുദ്ധമാക്കി വെക്കുക, ആരോഗ്യം സൂക്ഷിക്കുക, ഈ ലോകം കുറെ കൂടി സുന്ദരമാക്കുക, ഓർക്കുക, അനന്തമായ പ്രാർത്ഥനയാകുന്നു ജീവിതം. So human beings are the representatives of God's globe. We have to do good. We have to keep our mind and body pure. Sanctify your mind and body. Take care of your health. Make this world a better place. Make the world beautiful. Remember, life is an eternal prayer. Next. This is a very funny quote. I really liked it. Who will read this? Voice? Anyone?
Ma'am, can we? Nihal.
Nihal, read.
എനിക്ക് വട്ട് തന്നെയാണ് അമ്മായി.
Wait. Yes. Now it is clear for you?
Can I read? No, ma'am.
The letters are not clear.
I don't know what happened.
That's it.
When I copied it, it was so clear. Okay. Who can say it properly?
Can I read?
Anthony, read. Anthony Vijay. Read. Unmute and read.
എനിക്ക് വട്ട് തന്നെയാണ്, സമ്മതിച്ചു. അതിൽ അസൂയപ്പെട്ടിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല, വട്ട് വരാനും
കുറച്ചൊക്കെ
യോഗ്യത വേണം.
Yes, very funny quote, right? Interesting. എനിക്ക് വട്ട് തന്നെയാണ്, സമ്മതിച്ചു, അതിൽ അസൂയപ്പെട്ടിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല, വട്ട് വരാനും കുറച്ചൊക്കെ യോഗ്യത വേണം. So Bashir tells that he is a bit eccentric, and there is no need of feeling jealousy towards it, because according to him, people should have at least some qualification in order to be eccentric. Yes, exactly. Next. Beautiful quotes.
Can I?
Somebody who did not get a chance? Okay, Vrisa, read.
Ma'am.
Vrisa, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
ദൈവം ഒരു വലിയ നോവൽ
നോവൽ എഴുത്തുകാരനാണെന്ന്
വിചാരിക്കൂ അപ്പോൾ ദൈവത്തിന്റെ നോവലുകളിൽ ഒന്നിലെ ഒരു ചെറിയ അധ്യായമാണ് മനുഷ്യൻ.
യെസ്, ദൈവം ഒരു വലിയ നോവൽ എഴുത്തുകാരനാണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കൂ. അപ്പോൾ ദൈവത്തിന്റെ പല നോവലുകളിൽ ഒന്നിലെ ഒരു ചെറിയ അധ്യായമാണ് മനുഷ്യൻ. ജസ്റ്റ് ഇമാജിൻ ദാറ്റ് ഗോഡ് ഇസ് എ ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് നോവലിസ്റ്റ്. So we will understand that we human beings are a small chapter in many of the novels written by God. Okay, this is an image of Bashir sitting next to his, what is this? Any idea?
Music instrument which hear music.
What is that? Some musical instrument. What do you call for this?
One instrument here.
It's a gramophone.
I know.
It's a gramophone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So he used to listen to the songs of many famous singers through gramophone. Okay, now the last picture for you. Who could be this? Any idea? Any guess?
His wife.
Daughter.
Oh, no. I showed already his wife.
Ma'am, daughter.
Fatima Bashir or Fabi Bashir.
Daughter.
Look at the picture carefully.
Mother.
No?
Sister.
No?
Fatuma.
Huh?
Fatuma.
It was not his mother, not his sister.
Ma'am, daughter.
Ma'am, his story is any character.
Neighbor. No, it's not a character in a story.
Daughter.
I'm Fatuma.
Anthony saying something, but not clear.
Neighbor.
I'm Fatuma.
No.
His daughter. Ma'am, she is also a famous writer.
Yes.
Kanjanamala.
This is the image of O.V. Usha, a Malayali poet and a writer. Okay, Malayali poet and a writer. But do you know why did I show this picture to you?
No, ma'am.
Because she is the one who translated Neela Velicham into the blue light, which means the translator of our work. Okay. Neela Velicham, that is the
Blue light.
story written by Vaikam Muhammad Bashir, originally in Malayalam, but it was translated into English by O.V. Usha. Have you heard about the author O.V. Vijayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
O.V. Usha is his sister. O.V. Vijayan's sister is O.V. Usha, and she is the one who translated Neela Velicham into the blue light. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Okay. So let's quickly recapitulate what we have learned about Bashir. Geetika? Tell me. Louder. Any problem with your audio? Keep your mouthpiece close to your mouth. Children, can you hear Geetika?
No, ma'am.
No. Shavana?
Yes,
Geetika has got some technical issues.
Real name Abdul Rahman Mohammad Bashir.
Yes.
Born on 21st January 1908.
In Kalolaparambu, in Vaikam, Kottayam
Kottayam,
district. Okay.
popularly known as
Bepur Sultan.
Language Malayalam.
He writes mainly in Malayalam.
Persian,
Hmm.
freedom fighter, novelist, short story writer, etc.
Okay. Hmm.
Wife of Bashir, Fatima.
Hmm. Then his parents, I did not mention about his parents, Kai Abdur Rahman and Kunyatumma. Okay, that is his parents' name. Then,
He got the Vellathol Award in 1993.
yes, he received Vallathol Award in 1993, which was the highest civilian honor given to him. He was awarded with the fourth highest civilian honor.
Ma'am, Padma Shri.
Yes, Padma Shri in 1982.
Died on July 1st, 1991.
Died on 5th July 1994 at the age of 86. Then, Savio died on 5th July 1994.
1990.
94. He died on 5th July 1994 at the age of 86. Okay. Sian, can you tell me some of the main works by Bashir? Sian.
Ma'am,
Okay, Vrissa.
ma'am, Balegala Saki,
Baligala Sagi,
Madilugal,
Madilugal.
and
Indu Papakaran and Darno.
Fatima Dad.
Patumerada. Okay, only those four names you remember. Any other names? Neela Velicham.
Ma'am, Bishop.
Bishop. Janmadinam. Shabdangal.
ഭൂമികളുടെ അവകാശികൾ
Bhumida Avagashigal. Anarga Nimisham. All these are some of the important works by Bashir. And we find that some of his novels or short stories have been converted or made into movies.
Ma'am, I got one more. Mandriga Pucha.
Okay, Mandriga Puch also. Yes, some of his works have been made into movies. Any idea? Which are they? Madilugal. Then?
Balegala Sagi.
Baligala Sagi. Neela Velicham also, okay? But the title of the film is different. It's not Neela Velicham, but it is given as Bhargavi Nilayam. Bhargavi Nilayam. Any idea what is Bhargavi Nilayam? When you hear the term, what comes to your mind?
Bhargavin means lamp only, no? Ma'am, Bhargavin means lamp.
And Bhargavi's ghost.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, scary house like that.
That is all about what we are going to learn. Okay. The blue light.
Film?
Yes. Bhargavi Nilayam is a horror film. So I hope you might have got an idea what our story is dealing with. The blue light. When you hear the term blue light, what comes to your mind?
And fire.
Night sky. Night sky.
Night sky. Night sky, but night sky is not blue in color, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Blue sky. The ghost.
And blue fire.
Blue fire. What kind of feelings or emotions that you get?
Ma'am, light gone. And only the...
Something strange?
Yes, sir.
Unusual? Frightening experience?
Suspense.
Yes, suspense. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, that's all about the story that we are going to learn. Okay, the blue light. So that is why that short story has been made into a movie by the name Bhargavi Nilayam. Okay, in the next class I'll tell you more details about the story and we will start. Okay. So I hope you got a clear idea about Bashir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'll see you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.